Amigo, how you say shut up in Spanish?
Shut up. Cállate.
Cállate.
Yeah, cállate.
Where is the light? I'm about to paint it.
I need a napkin or something.
I ain't got no napkin. I don't ride around with napkins.
I do. Let me check my car.
I'm about to spray paint this right quick.
Who's gonna spray paint?
Oh, who's gonna spray paint? Me.
Boy.
What do you mean? What the hell, Mahnkes? What the hell, Anthony? Anthony? That's how you be sounding. What the hell? What the hell, Anthony? What you mean you about to spray paint, Anthony? Okay. I can't help it. I can't help it.
It's like you get paid to do.
I do. I get paid on YouTube to be a booty out of myself. Let me go find something to wipe this off.
Ew, it stinks. I need a man.
Spray paint. Well, spray paint, you know, smells good.
What you running for?
I'm working for you playing. Don't get out of your coat. Get the hell off me.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do if I don't?
I'm from the streets.
You are not. You from the suburbs.
I am now. I moved you out of the ghetto.
You ain't moved me out of.
Okay. Is it raining?
Take me out no damn ghetto. I took you out the ghetto, honestly. You was a real hood rat when I met you.
I've been getting money all my life.
Don't mean you wasn't a hood rat. Hood rats get money. I see it on social media all the time. Take the nigga out the hood, but you can't take the hood out the nigga.
I thought I was from the suburbs. Make up your mind.
You a suburban hood rat. They make them in suburbs. Think you supposed to just let it dry for a second before you get to doing all that extra stuff. Don't you hit me with that.
Take it in here so it can dry fast.
No battery yellow. No, because
Leave it alone.
it's
Don't worry about it. It ain't. I'm gonna paint over it.
It's gonna be wet again.
Where you gonna put it at? You ain't got nowhere to put it up at.
You gotta be quiet. I can't think what you talking.
You don't think. I do the thinking for you. Cállate, cállate.
Just keep on.
Just keep on. Just keep on.
Is this stable? Oh wow.
You know what's the closest hospital to here, honey?
He don't know what you're saying.
What?
He don't know what you're saying.
You hospital.
Okay.
Closest hospital? No. No hablas inglés? No. Okay.
Told you, goofy ass.
No have English. No have English.
Get off me, you hood rat. Jesus.
Come on. Put them up. Put them up.
No have English.
Put them up.
No have
Put
English.
them up. That's not how you say it. It's not how you say it.
That's how you said it.
No, it's not. First of all, I know a little Spanish. Thank you very much.
Get off my countertop. Ooh, this kitchen looking
I jump on
good.
this countertop.
Fly, wait till you see this light I bought though for the to hang. Man, this is I be doing these kitchens. You hear me?
You didn't do nothing.
I designed it. I had them take this wall down. I picked out all these lights and stuff. I spray painted that one. And I picked this one that's going over here, but where the hell is it? Oh, it's right here. Some neat little contraption. So now when they walk in, they're gonna see this grand kitchen. Stove, refrigerator over there. Had to buy a little small cabinet, go at the top. Connect, bow. I'm gonna do a little situation on this wall. I don't know what yet. It's gonna have gold accents though. This vanity's going in the bathroom, obviously. I just gotta get some faucets.
boxes.
Oh, you need some boxes, blue?
No, orange.
Orange?
Flat.
Orange box. Let me see. Take a picture. What? I'm looking at this stuff. I think. Okay.
Two. Three-way.
Three-way?
1, 2.
Oh, okay.
Yes, please.
Yep.
No more offset.
Okay. Oh, I need more of those? Okay. So,
Okay.
how many? Like 10?
10. Yes, please. Thank you. Thank you, yes. Yes. Thank you.
Excuse me, I have one question.
Oh, hold on one second.
This room in the basement is paint color black?
The ceiling's gonna be black. And
Uh-huh.
the wall's gonna be gloss white.
Oh, the walls black. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
And the room is the same
The
color.
room, you can use the same wall paint.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Look at that. Looks so beautiful.
Check this out. Step back so you can see it. The fan. See now the blades is retracted, right? Now check this out when the fan come on. Watch. Watch that. Watch. Check it out. Check it out. Ooh, you see them bad boys come out like a transformer. You feel me? Dope, man. This thing's sprayed. All the fancy lights, you feel? This will go upstairs in the bedroom. This is my light.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Please, please. Alright, thank you. Hello.
Nada, arriba, no se puede hacer.
You go here one. This one is the one.
Yeah, go upstairs.
Up?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
This one.
This one.
Here. Change this line.
No, you can leave that.
No? Okay.
Yeah, you can leave that.
Okay.
Vamos a esperar, deja.
Okay. Arriba, ¿no?
There's another one that goes too.
Entonces, aquí.
Trabajo, no mueva.
Bueno, escucha.
What's this? This for the sink. That's these. Let's see if that's the same. Oh, yeah, perfect match. This was brushed though. These were supposed to be brushed. They lied to me. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a fly sink though. Light up. Like that? I'm gonna change those bulbs though. I don't like that color. Looking good though. That's looking alright. Alright, so let's grab this paint. I got all these gallons for $20 a piece at Sherwin-Williams. About to mark them so they know where each one goes. Got some for the garage and the basement. Garage. No, this is the basement. Basement. This is for the garage. This is for the kitchen cabinet. This is for basement. This is for garage. Oh, this is garage. Okay.
Ceiling, yes,
Yeah.
black. Okay. Este es el ceiling. Le quitas tira. Quitas
Eso lo quito. El mueble no grande, blanco no.
todo va de blanco.
Todo.
Amarillo. Black too.
Yeah.
Or this.
Negro.
Yeah. Black.
Okay. ¿Cuál es el post? Primero el post.
Black.
White, black. Okay.
Black. El piso.
Piso.
No, pero manzana o algo.
What the?
Those like good eats outside.
You say so. Let's go.
Alarm on. Warning. Back door. Entry sensor. Not responding.
I wonder if you got this light working. Excuse me, sir. I haven't seen it on yet. Oh yeah. That look good. You feel me? I say you feel me? I need a tape measure so I can see. It's the dustpan, bro. Don't let that dustpan beat you up. Get some light in here. Let's get some natural light with the regular light. What you think? It still look green to you?
Why would it change?
That's how he look.
I don't know. What do you mean? Why are you asking me?
I don't look green now. I look good. I don't know.
Not even a green hue. It just over there. That especially looks like it looks green.
Well, yeah, because it got that pinkish, what do you call it? Cabinets.
Is this getting, what color is this gonna be?
It's gonna be tan. Same color as the butcher block. You know what I'm saying? Maybe I should have did that wall a different color. I don't know. I don't like the wall color. I don't know. What say you? You don't know.
I don't know, Dad. You asked me for it. I'm just here to record. What you asked me for, Dad? I'm just here to record. You asked me all these goofy ass questions. Ask another adult. Don't ask me.